Hello dear student. Today I am going to describe about Visual Basic Studio 10 Express. So here I have clicked on this office button and here I have gone to the menu Visual Basic Studio 2010 Express and I'm clicking here on the option, and now Visual Basic 2010 Express starting window has opened. So Visual Basic 2010 Express is giving us two options: new project and open project. I'm clicking on new project. So let's open the new project. So it is the new project window. In the new project window, Visual Basic is providing us many applications: Windows Form application, WPF application, console application, class library, and WPF browser application. We will click on Windows Form application. So I'm clicking double click, and then the Visual Basic Form application window will be opening. Now you can see here I'm describing about various parts of this window. The enter window is called IDE, or Integrated Development Environment. In this window, this part is called the menu bar. In this menu, you can see file, edit, view, project, debug, data, tools, window, and help is there. And at the left hand side, it is a very big toolbar where many tools are there. There are many tools than the Visual Basic 6.0. Visual Basic 6.0 is an edition of Visual Basic. Visual Basic uh, 2010 Express is almost also a very latest Visual Basic edition, and here we are having multiple tools. Here all the toolboxes are there in the toolbar. Now this window is called the form window. We can expand a form in the form window area, and at the right hand side you can see here this is called the window application 1 my project form1.vb. That means this is called the project window. And at the bottom of this is called the property window. So this is all about the IDE. So IDE means integrated development environment. So it is an environment where we are having multiple parts: the menu bar where file, edit, view, project, debug, etc. are there. At the left hand side, this is the toolbar where many toolboxes are there. At the middle, there is form window. At the right hand side, there is project window or project explorer, and beneath of this is the property window. And together these all the parts are integrated and is forming one IDE or integrated development environment. Now I'm showing you how to make one window application, a very simple window application. How to make? Now I want to show you. So first of all, I want to add two numbers. Simple application. So how I can add two numbers? So let's start with the boxes. So first of all, we need to know the label box. Label box is such kind of box where we can write something in the form, because this is the form, this is the platform, this is the window that will be displayed when the program will be running, when the application will be running. And here you can see that by default a form is given, and this is called GUI, or graphical user interface. So a form is a representation of GUI, or graphical user interface, through which we will create or make GUI based application or Windows application with the help of Visual Basic. That's why Visual Basic is very popular, because by default it provides you the GUI based application or graphical user interface based application. I have clicked on this label box and the label box has come. I've clicked on the label box, and when you click on the label box, the property related to label box has come. I'm changing the text property of the label box. Here I'm writing mathematical calculation of two numbers. So here it is reflected, not here it is reflected, here it is reflected, and then you can see it is reflected here, and you press enter. The enter thing is coming, mathematical calculation of two numbers. Now you can change the color of this. So you can change the color of this. So here you can go to the four color, and black I have given. You can change the color. This color you can change. You can see the color is changing, and also you can give the back color. The back color you can give also. Suppose I'm giving the back color like this, so you can see the back color is changing. After that, you need more label boxes. So another two label boxes I'm just adding. Because of the two numbers, I'm adding two label boxes. In the second label box, I want to change the text, and you can go here and text you can change. You can write enter fast number, and you can press enter fast number. It is coming, and colon I need to give. So colon has come. You can see this, and here I'm clicking on the label 3 box, that means third label box. I'm changing the text property of the label box. I'm writing enter second number, and then I'm giving colon and giving enter, and this is coming. So whenever you need to write something on the label box, you click on the label box, the property related to the label box will come, and you change the text. Now the user will give some value, so for that reason we need text box. In the text box, user will give some value. So two text boxes I'm just taking. So two text boxes I'm taking, and now here one button is there. So this is the main important thing. This button is for this button we will write program. So in the button we will click on the button and we'll get to the property, and here we are writing add. That means we will add. Okay, so after that, when the addition will be done, we can just change the position of the text boxes. When the addition will be done, then it will be shown in the text boxes here only. Okay, so now I'm running the program. So before running the program, I'm saving the form as form 1, and then I'm just here, it is the run. So I'm clicking on the run. So when it's the run, it will be looking like this. Okay, and we will be clicking on add button, but it is not working because we have not written any program. So we need to write program based on the this button, add button. So now we need to write the program for the add button. So click on the add button. The code window will be opening. Here you write dim dimension x as integer. That means we are taking two variables where we will keep some value, and dim y as integer. That means we are just creating the second variable, and we are writing x equal to val, and then text box 1 dot text. That means we are taking the text box value into x, and then we are writing y equal to val, and then within that we're writing text box 2 dot text, and then we will be done, and then we are writing text box 3 dot text equal to x plus y. So this is done, and then we are saving this form. We can save this form, and then we are going here and we are running the program, and then I'm giving value. Suppose I'm giving 100 here, and I'm pressing tab. I'm giving here 160, and I'm pressing here add. You can see the result. So this is a very simple example of creating one Windows application. Okay, so this is the part. So now again I'm running the program. I'm clicking here. Suppose you give 450 and tab, and you give 6777, and you can add, and you can get the result. So like this we can create a very simple Windows application through Visual Studio 2010 Express. Thank you for all the students.